Hello guys, hope you will be fine well. This is very simple percentage problem. 200% over 20% which we have to solve is 10%, 20%, 200%, 1000%. This is very easy question. 200% over 20%, so 10% is not right. First of all, what we have to do is, this is in percentage, let's convert it into decimal. We knew converting into decimals, you do 200 out of 100. 200% is 200 out of 100, so 200 divided by 100 is 2, and 20% divided by 100 is 0.2, and now 2 over 2 over 2 multiply 10. 2 cut 10, of course. We got the value, but this is not a percentage. We have converted back to percents. So we converted back to percent. It just we multiply 10 times 100, and that is equal to 1000%. So that's your answer is 1000%. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.